I just wanted to say a little bit more about this reptile habitats enclosure from Dubia Roaches. Again, this is the 125 gallon, and I have it sitting on a Good Life reptile enclosure stand. I got it from Amazon. Putting this enclosure together was actually not as bad as some of the reviews or the previous videos that you might see on YouTube say. So this bottom part and the top part actually came already installed or put together. So I had to put this, the side panels, the glass, and then this crossbar, and obviously this plexiglass right here. And the front windows are actual glass. I think on previous years or previous models, it was plexiglass, but it is glass on this most recent, and I just purchased this, so it must be the newest model. And Buck, I found he's not a bird dog, he's a lizard dog. So he has about half pointer in him, and I have never seen him point until I got Drago. So you're a lizard dog, aren't you, buddy? But anyways, I really like this enclosure. I'm just gonna, thanks for all the people who commented on my video asking about what would be a good safe solution to clean this glass with. I'm gonna get some vinegar and a little bit of vinegar and some water and wipe that down when I get a chance. But he's definitely loving his new home. He has plenty of space to roam around, and I've even seen a little hole right under there, so he's digging kind of like a little burrow area underneath that stick. So that's a very natural and bioactive enclosure for this little guy, and he seems to absolutely love it. He's sitting over here because it's it's breakfast time, so let me give him a little treat. So as far as feeding goes, I have some live mealworms. I also have some composting worms. I have collard greens actually growing outside, so I have plenty of salad and things like that. But to make things a little bit easier, I have some Zilla herbivore mix, and I just coated that in a little bit of calcium with vitamin D to give plenty of calcium for Drago. So we'll put that in there and see if he's interested. We'll just hand